What's up, y'all? It's me. I'm back. I'm in that new thing. I know I've been missing for a little minute, but we're gonna get back to it. So, as you can see, these ain't the same seats that y'all been used to seeing. And we got a roof now, so we got a little bit of something going on. Got a new truck. I ain't really posted much of it. I've been so caught up in the mix of having it and enjoying it, so I ain't really showed it off, but we're gonna do it today. Right now, just left the crib. Beautiful Arizona day, 90 degrees outside. I got word, well, I've been seeing it for a little while now. They got a car wash in the city. Somebody just opened up a car wash. He was taking a Mercedes Benz, a 6x6, the big boy truck through there. You know, so I had to ask him, yo, can I bring a dually through there? And he said, of course. Free washes today. Hey, well, guess what? Hey, I'm on the way. I'll see you in a minute. So that's what we're on the way to right now. We're gonna see if this spot is a real deal or if this is some type of hoax, finessing type shit. But man, this is game changing. The only time I'm really able to get this truck washed, or well, my dually, the only time I'm able to really get my dually washed is either I gotta have a mobile detailer pull up and I gotta pay somebody $70 to come wash my truck, or when I got my trailer hooked up, I can go to the Blue Beacon and I can get it washed at the Blue Beacon. But who wanna do that type of all the time, man? Like, I wanna be able to, like, nowhere, I've never been anywhere to where there's an automatic car wash to where you can bring a dually truck through it and get right. So I gotta go see what this is about, man. Hopefully this ain't no cap. You know, and hopefully this shit don't f my truck up, because I'm gonna be upset. You better slow down, because I'm gonna be highly upset if I get up in here, man, and f my truck up. But we're gonna see. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, this is exciting. Yeah, let's go. Ah. I heard it when it dropped.
It was stuck right here facing down.
So the news is we caught the Longhorn. It's meaning a lot to me, man, because I always wanted a Longhorn, you know? And now I got one. Tucson. That shit mad P, yo. Longhorn stitching on the seats, roofed up. It's real wood. Real wood. No cap wood. Cameras all over the place. Steering wheel got the grain on it. Bend it up. Yes, the roof is tinted. I don't need all that sun in my face. I just like to see it, you know? So yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's how we living now.